Imagine coming home to the comfort of a warm and safe environment, all thanks to your reliable gas appliances. But what happens when these vital appliances are neglected? Gas leaks, carbon monoxide risks, and reduced efficiency could threaten your peace of mind. Regular gas appliance inspections play a crucial role in safeguarding your home. They help identify potential hazards early, ensuring your family's safety and enhancing the efficiency of your appliances. By catching issues like strange odors or unusual noises early, inspections prevent costly repairs and extend the lifespan of your appliances. Moreover, regular inspections may be required by local regulations or insurance policies, emphasizing their importance for compliance. Choosing licensed professionals for these inspections means you're opting for thorough, expert care. This not only guarantees optimal performance, but also reduces energy consumption, saving you money in the long run. So why wait for a problem to arise? Ensure your home remains a haven of safety and efficiency. Trust Appliance Repair Coquitlam to provide professional and reliable inspections, giving you peace of mind and extending the life of your appliances. Contact us today and let us take care of your inspection needs so you can enjoy a safer, more efficient home.